I'm going to demonstrate how to invite people to a Google Meet meeting by emailing them, and in the email I'll include a link to the actual meeting. We start by noting that I'm on my nycdoe.gov email. That will get me access. You see that right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my Google Suite, and anytime I'm doing Google Meets, I look at my calendar. I'll hit my calendar. So you have to imagine that I already created my meeting. I know that I created it on the 23rd here, so I'll click here, and you'll see it says test meeting at 10 a.m. So I already created this, and I click on it, and it's going to say join Hangouts Meet. See that right here? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it, and the camera will start up. There I am. And you'll see on top, I'm going to copy. I'm going to highlight the URL. I'm going to go Control C or Command C on a Mac. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this. So watch, I close. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to send out an invitation. And in this case, I'll just use my DOE email. And I'm going to create a new message. And in this new message, I will send it to myself. That's one of my emails. I'll send it to this actual email that I'm on, which is my DOE email. And then in here, I'll put Google Meet invitation April 23rd at 10 a.m. And then I will say to join the meeting, click here. And I just always like do a little arrow like that, and I go like this, link, and then I'm going to highlight, and then I'm going to go Command K or Control K, depending on if you're on a Mac or PC. I'll go OK. Here's a web address. I'll paste. There's that URL, and I'll go OK. For students or anyone that would like it to be a little bit bolder, perhaps, just so it's popping out, make it bigger, and I will make the font size bigger so it's nice and big, and I will send. Okay, so now you'll see it popped up right away because I sent it to myself, and you go over here and you click on the link, and it takes you to that meeting. Okay, I'm going to close that, and just to prove a point, I'll go into my personal email. So I'll close up here, and I'll close all the windows, and I will start over again, and it's going to ask me to log on. There I am. I'm going to log on here. So, although it's sending it to myself, I could have sent it to anyone's personal Gmail, and they'll see it on top. Google Meet invitation has the clear date, the clear time. I click on here, I click on there, and there I go. So again, if you do this, it's as you make sure you put the time, the date, and the link as clear as day. You click it, and it just takes you to where you need to be. If any student is having a problem after this, we'll have to create another tutorial video. All right, thanks.